Hey, I'm Donald Bell, and in this Cool Tools video review, I'm going to show you one of the greatest hits of the Cool Tools blog, and maybe one of the most humble, the metallic Sharpie pen. Now, if I'm marking wood, I'll use a pencil. For everything else, I'll typically go with my trusty black Sharpie, but both options fall short when you're marking something that's dark. With the metallic Sharpie, you can permanently write on even the darkest, glossiest surface and be able to read the mark. Black plastic, dark metal, dark fabric, rubber, black gaffer tape, beer bottles, and it's a great way to label black plastic wall warts so you can remember what goes to what. They're cheap, high contrast, permanent, there's no shaking or dripping, and it's just a cool look. That's all there is to it. Be sure to pick up a pair using the link in the description, and you can see thousands of reader recommended tools like this at cool-tools.org.